How to hard reset Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G. Step 1. Hold power button and turn off your smartphone.
Step 2. Hold power button plus volume up button. When you see the Tecno logo, release power button, but keep holding volume up button.
Step 3. Now use volume down button and select wipe data option. Then press power button. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.